Challenge Nova Scotia asks students to design an initiative to support communities to grow both economically and socially. As a result of the pandemic, most local businesses are struggling to survive. This team proposes that post-secondary institutions, with the help of government, create help centers in which students, guided by faculty, would act as advisors to support local business. Among the many challenges faced by Nova Scotia business, we can list the layoffs, the decrease in revenue, and the uncertainty if they will remain open. In 2018, Nova Scotia had more than 50,000 students enrolled in post-secondary institutions. It would be great to involve these future qualified skilled workers in a solution to help local business offering free consulting, including non-profit organizations. These team solutions involve different academic areas such as marketing, business, information technology, human resources. The Help Center would assess a company and provide with a solution that the company is struggling with. Would have many social benefits, including community engagement.